Hello, everyone. My name is Ira Bowman. I'm the founder of Project Help You Grow, and today I'm going to show you how to create a profile and to edit it so that you can get a job, you can get found, you can get discovered. Employers, recruiters, HR professionals, they come onto my website and they're looking for you. But if you're just simply creating a profile, but you're not actually populating it, you're not going to ever get discovered. You have to create it. You have to add your pictures. You have to add your resume, your CV file. You have to add your description as much as you possibly can. If you don't, you're wasting your time even signing up for a profile. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a dummy one. Okay. So this part, for the most part, most people get without any trouble. Okay, now the one thing here is you have to use a, it's got to be 8 characters. You have to use a number and you have to use a symbol at least, right? So that's the only thing that can throw you off there, but that's pretty self-explanatory. Most people do it, but here's where most people stop. And this isn't the stopping point. This is actually the starting point. What you need to do is you need to hit this little guy right here. So please, 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 I'm going to slow down a little bit, circle it. This cog is the key to your success. You need to populate your picture. You need to populate a background cover photo. You need to add your CV. This is the key. It's the symbol for a cog. Okay? Go ahead and click it. Then you want to hit Edit Profile. Do that. Now you're in. Okay, so go ahead and fill all this stuff out. Fill it all out. Every last bit of information, okay, in the United States or wherever you happen to be from, this is where you live. The reason why you have to fill that out is because some employers, some recruiters will only consider you if you are where their job is. So it's not where you want to be, it's where you are. Where you want to work is down here. Okay, this is where you are now. Industry. What industry do you work in? I happen to be in the print industry. But I'm also in sales. I've also been in sales management. And I've also been in management. Okay, so I'm going to put all of it. Why? Because somebody might come and search sales or sales management, not print. And I want them to see me if I'm looking for a job. Okay. Now, I don't happen to be looking for a job, but for the sake of this demonstration, I will put that I am, okay? Where would you like to work? I get a lot of people that are putting a city, or they're putting a state, or they're putting a country, or they might be putting a company. And they ask me, okay, what is the right answer? The right answer is actually all of them, okay? So you want to be very thorough here, right? So maybe I want to work in San Francisco. Maybe I want to work in the Bay Area. Maybe I want to work in California. Maybe I want to work in the United States. Maybe I want to work in, and I want to put the abbreviations too, because sometimes people are searching, they're searching by the abbreviations. You could also put an industry or a particular company. I work for California Survey and Drafting Supply. Maybe I want to put the whole name. Most people don't do this, but if you have a company, you want to work for Google, Facebook, Amazon, whatever. I've had people, who've noticed I work with Boeing, right? And they say, I want to work with Boeing. Well, go ahead and put Boeing down, right? You might eliminate yourself from some other jobs that way, but you can do that. What languages do you speak? I speak English. And I speak Spanish. Okay, everybody has languages that they speak. For your LinkedIn, I'm going to show you how to do this. What you need to do is you need to not put just like your name. You need to put the whole URL. So when you come onto LinkedIn, sorry, it takes a second because I'm recording. I'm going to go ahead and fill out the rest of this while I'm waiting. So bio. So I have 20 years of business to business print equipment sales, 10 years of can't spell. Okay. Good to get it right. Yeah. Okay, just give yourself some details. Come over here. What you want to do is you want to go to your profile. Sorry, it's a little slow because I'm recording. Okay, so go to your profile. Oh, it's frustrating when it's there and then it goes away. Come on. There we go. This is the URL that you want. That's what you're looking for. Okay, you got to go ahead and click that, put that there. Once you're all done, go ahead and grab your CV too. A lot of people ask me about the CV. The CV that you need to use is the one, or your resume, is your PDF file. It has to be a PDF. That's a safety measure for your protection. Okay, so go ahead and put all that up when you're done. Some people have asked me about this portfolio. What is that? That could be like a background picture or something. If you have, you know, it's got to be a JPEG in this case. But if you've got, you know, a JPEG that kind of shows off, let's see if I've got something that I can throw up real quick. You've got something that's kind of print related. No, it's not mine, so I can't use it. Ooh, I could do a sales one, right? I'll do that one. So a portfolio could be something that you designed. It could be a picture of your work. It could be a picture of yourself if you want, as long as it's a JPEG file and it helps you to get across your message and give them some insight into your talents, then go ahead and use it, right? The space is there for you to use. I've got an opportunity for you to load up a personal website. Like I have Project Help You Grow as my website, right? You can do your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. What I'll tell you about these is you don't want to do it if what you're putting on there is not professional, then you're better to leave it off, okay? So if it's always you out with your buddies drinking and whatever, leave that off, right? But if it's all professional and it's going to help paint you in a good light and show off your skills, then by all means, put your Twitter, put your Facebook, put your Instagram, okay? So you also want to put your pictures. So your profile picture can be pretty much anything that shows you. I'll give you an idea. So since I'm doing this, let's see, I want profile pictures. And this is the one I normally use. That's me, but I'm going to use this one for my test case here. You just go ahead and, you know, change the picture as you will. And then your background picture. This one actually throws a lot of people off, but you can go ahead and use pretty much, you know, whatever you want. This is the one, you know, that I typically use for my background picture. This is my family, right? So go ahead and hit that, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and everything looks good. I'm going to update the profile. And now when someone goes to search for a salesman or somebody in the print industry or somebody in the United States or somebody who wants to work in San Francisco or somebody that has graphics experience, I'm going to come up because they're going to come here into my filter system if they're an employer, and they're not going to look for IRA, right? This is not how they're going to search. What they're going to do is they're going to type in like sales, and they're going to type in, you know, maybe graphics, and they're going to say job seeker. Yes. That's how they're going to search. They're not going to search for IRA because they don't know me. If they knew me, they wouldn't need my site. They would just call me. But see, there it is. Now, you may be asking yourself, Ira, don't you have a profile? I do. I absolutely do. Oh, I don't have graphics in there. Sorry. I have it as print, not graphics, because I'm not looking for a job. So anyways, this is how the filters work, okay? So here's my other one. The difference here is job seeker no, because in reality, I'm not really looking for a job, okay? I just put that for the sake of this test. But that gives you an idea that, you know, just changing one thing can make a big difference. In fact, if you put even the country, it makes a big difference too. Watch. So we've got 8 people. That's my wife, by the way. Now there's only 3, okay? Just by putting in one more piece of information, I got that. Now if I was to change this from sales to print, now I'll be the only one. Oh, no, I'm 2. Excuse me. Okay, now watch this. Now there's 3. You see? So every one of these filters is important, and that's why you have to fill out your profile. Because the job searcher, the one that's looking to fill the spot, who you want to find you, is only going to find you if you answer the questions the way they are looking. So you have to give more information than you want to, not less, because if they look for a word that you don't put in, then you automatically will be out. So put your country, put if you're job seeking, add your photos, add a background cover, add it all, add your CV. When you go and you click in these things, okay, these guys are looking for a job. When you go and click in, so Stephen, for example, you know, you can click on his About Me. You can click on his LinkedIn, his Twitter, his Instagram. He's got a great amount of information here under industry, which is awesome. His biography is nice and full. He's got his resume. Stephen, this is beautiful. You've done a wonderful job with this, okay? So if you guys be like Stephen, then you probably won't be job searching for too long, because there's lots of recruiters, there's lots of employers that are using the site to find talent. So help them find you by doing and being like Stephen, okay? My name is Ira Bowman. I hope this has been a help. I hope all my videos are help. If you need help, reach out to me on LinkedIn, shoot me an email, and I will be glad to get back to you as soon as possible. And I hope that you find a job real soon. That's what the site is here to help you do. Have a great day.